Hello friends, welcome back to the Money Video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys, how can we unpair Bluetooth headphone to our Tecno phone. Guys, you want to unpair your Bluetooth headphones so you can unpair easily. And friends, now let's see how to unpair Bluetooth headphone today. I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video guys. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to unpair our Bluetooth headphone. And after on phone setting guys, you can see guys this type of setting in your Tecno phone. So when how can you this unpair this headphone guys? Click on guys your more connection setting guys, click on phone Bluetooth setting guys, and as you can see phone Bluetooth setting guys, you can use from here. So when we have paired get this pre-tone company Bluetooth headphone, and guys right side setting option, tap here friends. You can see phone calls guys, you want to off you can off guys, you can off guys your media audio guys, you can off it. And friends, tap here to on it again. If you want to on and off, you can on and off from here. And guys, you can see forget option means unpair guys, tap here guys. You can see if you like forget means you will unpair, so you will have to pair again if you want to use. And guys, if you use again, so if we use again guys, we will have to pair again. So like that guys, we will unpair our Bluetooth headphone to our Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys. And we will off it also guys, bye.